Sensitivity allergy. It refers to response mediated by antigen antibody reaction, the abnormal reaction of immune system to certain antigens, which include normal environmental antigen known as allergies, which cause autoimmune disease. Now, the imbalance between effector and regulator causes mechanism to compromise two antigens. These arrows are showing two effector and regulate that will increase. One is increase, other is decrease, that will compromise to their antigens. Now the side of the page is showing two cells, T cells and B cells. The T cells and B cells not to react in body as antigen. These cells attack on body as hypersensitivity. Reaction occur in pre-sensitized individual. Patient must have previous first contact with antigen. Now, our immune system play a crucial role in protecting our body against pathogen, but sometimes this response triggered by interaction of immune system with antigen referred as hypersensitivity. Now, hypersensitivity classified into four types on the basis of their mechanism of action. In type 1 reaction mediated by IgE antibodies. These IgE antibodies are regulated by mast cell when they are react with B cells showing in the page. The star-like material is antigens that react with their B cell. Now these B cell in the mast cell or basophil cell in blood that are react with the basophils that release histamine, which to release histamine, lipid mediator and other inflammatory chemicals. Now the reaction of type 1. The side effects are inflammation, smooth muscle, edema, rash, difficulty breathing to bronchospasm, abdominal cramping, vomiting and diarrhea. Now their example are the reaction are immediate that cause mild to severe, lead to anaphylaxis, shock in blood pressure drops, allergies in food. The people which develop allergies by their eating material are nuts, eggs, milk, rice, and other things. In drugs include penicillin, pollen's allergy, and bronchial asthma. Now, the type 2 consists of cytotoxic reaction mediated by IgG IgM antibodies. Previous formed IgE IgM antibodies bind on their antigen. Firstly, they will bind on their antigen antibodies, mark the cell for destruction cytotoxic. The floating cells, the floating type of material, they will bind to their antibodies and they will causes phagocytosis and causes destruction of their cell function. Now example is autoimmune disease, neutropenia, myasthenia gravis, hemolytic disease to newborn babies are difficulty in the fetus, anemia, transfusion reaction, certain platelets and disorders. Now type 3 is the reaction certain mediated by immune complexes, IgE IgM antibodies, reaction with free floating antigen. The side of the page are free floating antigen antibodies in systematic lupus erythematosus underlies most chronic autoimmune diseases. Now their example is serum sickness induced by drugs, antivenom, antitoxin, arthritis reaction induced in large amount blood, immune complexes deposit valve of blood. Now type 4. Type 4 is delayed reaction mediated by T cells that sensitized with T cells that previous contact with antigen. T helper cell release inflammatory, T killer produce cytotoxic reaction. Typical example is reaction to skin contact, dermatitis, poisonally cosmetic tuberculosis. Now, the allergic development. The allergies develop with patient immune system react to substances that are usually harmless, substances that provoke the immune system into an allergic response known as allergens. But in time, a person exposed to allergen not to experience a reaction time for immune system build sensitivity. In time immune system recognize allergens, it start making antibodies to attack it when exposure. This build up is sensitized. Some allergies are seasonal. Now, when allergies reaction occur, allergens bind to antibodies that the body produce called immunoglobulin IgE activate by T helpers. Antibodies combat foreign and potentially harmful substances. IgE bind to mast cell, release chemical, trigger their symptom of allergic reaction. An allergic reaction occur when person immune system become hypersensitive to food, pollen, pets and medication. Now at this stage the hypersensitivity four types are ended. We will discuss on another topic like histamine. What is histamine? Histamine is synthesized from dictatorial histidine by action of histidine decarboxylase. Histamine is mediated allergic reaction involved in physiological process, immune process, gastric acid secretion, sleep wake conjugation, appetite. Histamine synthesized by amino acid present in skin, lungs and GIT. Now, histamine formed from amino acid histidine stored in high concentration in vesicles in mast cell and enterochromaffin cells in gut. Some neuron fuse cell type histamine metabolized by enzyme monoamine oxidase, diamine oxidase. They are excreted production cannot by major metabolite imidazole acetic acid in urine. Most of histamine stored in granules of mast cell in brain. Histamine function as neurotransmitter. The chain is showing the histidine decarboxylase that produce their reaction. Histamine exert reaction by bind H receptor with G protein coupled receptor. H receptor, the H receptor is coupled to their G protein. H1 and H4 on involved in their allergy because release of their mast cell in response IgE mediated allergic reaction. This autocoid play pathophysiological role. Seasonal rhinitis, urticaria and go neurotic edema. Now H receptors, they are consist of four receptors: H1, H2, H3 and H4. The H1, this GQ coupled protein receptor is important in smooth muscle effector, especially those caused by IgE mediated response. Inositol triphosphate and D-diacylglycerol are the second messenger. Typical response include pain, itching in skin, bronchoconstriction, vasodilation, latter caused by histamine evoked release of nitric oxide. Capillary endothelial cell in addition to release nitric acid and other vasodilating substances also contract, opening gaps in the permeability barrier and leading to function of local edema. These effectors occur in allergic reaction in mastocytosis. The H1 location is showing in that graph is smooth muscle endothelial cell that we have described. Their function are vasodilation, bronchoconstriction, mucosecretion, and their example is diphenhydramine, Benadryl, cetirizine, Zyretic and Livotadine, Claritin. Now H2. H2 is gastric partial cells. Their function are gastric acid secretion and ranitidine are their example. Xanthetic, cimetidine and tegment HB. This G coupled receptor mediate gastric acid secretion by parietal cell in stomach. It also has cardiac stimulate effect. A third action is to reduce histamine release from mast cell, a negative feedback effect. Now H3. H3, their location is central nervous system. Their function is sleep, wake, conjugation, neurotransmission, clobenpropit, invagestinal is their example. This G1 coupled receptor appear to involved mainly in presynaptic modulation of histamine neurotransmission in central nervous system, food intake, and body weight increase in H3 receptor knockout animals. Now H4, they occur in immune cells. Immune cells, their modulation or their function. They are located on leukocytes and mast cell involved in chemotactic response by these cells like H3. It is G1 coupled. Now we, on the other side, this graph is showing the leukocytes or granulocytes that produce IgE by eosinophil, basophil, neutrophil, monocytes that produce the mast cell, antigens that react with their B cell, and basophil and produce scare like materials, histamine that causes allergic reaction. When an allergic reaction occur, allergen bind to antibodies that the body produce called immunoglobulin. EIgE production of is IgE activated by T helper antibodies combat foreign and potentially harmful substances in body. Once the allergen bind to IgE, specific type of cell, mast cell, will release chemical that trigger the symptom of allergic reaction that I have described on the previous page. Now, histamine causes visible symptom of localized allergic causes, vasodilation, swelling, hives, vessels, permeability, watery eyes and runny nose, stimulation, sensory nerves, sneezing, itching, bronchoconstriction, which may lead anaphylaxis, a severe, immediate, often fatal response to exposure to previously encountered antigens. Anaphylaxis, also called anaphylactic shock in immunology, a severe, immediate, potentially fatal systemic allergic reaction to contact with antigen histamine receptor blockers. Now, histamine receptor blocker are divided into H1 blocker and H2 blocker. H1 blockers are first generation diphenhydramine, benadryl, and promethazine, chlorophenolomine. H2 blocker are second generation cetirizine, loratadine, claritine, and levocetirizine. H1 receptor, these are responsible for bronchoconstriction, intestinal constriction, and allergic reaction. Their agonists are 2-methylhistamine and their antagonists are pyralyamine. H2 receptor, these are responsible for gastric secretion. Their agonists are 4-methylhistamine and their antagonists are cimetidine. H3 receptor under investigation. And now, what is their mechanism of action? Activation of H1 receptor led to activation of phosphatidyl inositol cycle, and H2 receptor activation led to increase in intracellular CAMP, and increased intracellular calcium level have been observed in both cases. Now, antihistamine. Antihistamine used to treat allergic symptom in two broad categories: first generation and second generation. First generation is the diphenhydramine and second is cetirizine. First is old histamine relieve allergy, causes drowsiness, dry mouth. Second is non-sediating drowsiness, less able cross. They are less able to cross blood-brain barrier and decongestants. They relieve stuffy nose by constricting blood vessels, limit amount secreting coming inner lining of nose. Corticosteroids. Corticosteroids, leukotriene receptor antagonist. What their reaction in our central nervous system? They are leukotriene chemicals produced by body that accompanies inflammation. As azeltine has triple mode of action: antihistamine, mast cell stabilizing. Now, the drug zephyrolocast is block action of cysteine leukotrienes on CYCLT1. reduce contraction airways, build up mucus lungs, inflammation of breathing passage. This is a drug that causes their reaction on the mucus lungs, inflammation of breathing passage. Corticosteroids. Cortisol is a major glucocorticoid in human, have two actions. Now on another side, look, glucogenesis break down protein and fat to provide metabolite, can convert glucose in liver, activate anti-stress, anti-inflammatory pathway, has weak mineralocorticoid activity. Now other topic is allergen immunotherapy. What is the immunotherapy? Also known desensitization or hyposensitization, medical treatment, environmental allergies such as insect bite and asthma. Allergy mediated side effect. Now their side effect are by taking different drugs. Older antihistamine, their side effect is drowsiness, dizziness, constipation, upset stomach, dry mouth, blurry vision, throat difficult, urination, stomach problem. Second is nasal corticosteroids. Their reaction is dryness, irritation, nose blood, throat irritation, headache, nausea, vomiting, cough, fungal infection. Third is leukotriene inhibitors, unusual weakness, upset stomach, air, dizziness, cough, headache, flu. And four is nasal decongestants, cause burning, stinging, dryness, nose, runny nose, sneezing, dizziness, headache, fast heartbeat increase, and blood pressure increase. Fifth is nasal anticholinergic, causes bloody dry nose, nasal congestion, dry mouth, irritated throat, bad taste, dizziness, nausea. Six is topical corticosteroid for skin allergies, causes burning, itching, and redness. On the other hand, the prescription antihistamine include are azithromycin. These are eye drops. Optiver. Internal doses are 0.05 to 5 ml. Parental dose and half life is 22 hours. Azithromycin nasal sprays, acetylene, carbinoxamine, pelgic, desloratadine, clarinex, and hydroxyzine, atarax, Vizitrol, and in the market other drugs are like betnisol, also betnilan also, and regex also. And levocetirizine, Axizil, their half-life and internal doses are following that can be prescribed by the doctor to their patient by seeing her. Levocetirizine is a third generation non-sediating selective histamine H1 receptor antagonist with antihistamine, anti-inflammatory, and potential anti-angiogenic activities. The histamine is divided into four categories: H1, H2, H3, and H4 that we have described on the previous slide, and their generation are two: first generation and second generation. So these all medications are divided on the base of these generations by reading them. And on the other side, OTC antihistamine include cetirizine, Zeritic, chloropino, iramine, chlorotrimethine, supracetin, and fexofenadine, allergia, loratadine, and ketofitin. Their internal doses, parental doses, and half-lives are followings. And corticosteroids. What are corticosteroids? These develop are their medications include budesonide, renocolt, fluticasone, and furoate, mometasone, triamide, and their internal doses and half-life are following. And decongestants can help clear a stuffy nose and sinus congestion. The medication shrink blood vessel in nose and open up nasal passage. Ephedrine, Darastin, Visc, Sinex, oxymetazoline, and sulfidridine, sulfidridine, pseudoephedrine, pseudoephedrine